Edmond Albius was born enslaved in 1829 in Sainte-Suzanne on the island Réunion. His mother died during childbirth, and he never knew his father. In his youth he was sent to work for botanist Furiel Bellier Beaumont. Beaumont had been teaching young Edmond how to tend to the various plants on his estate. He taught him how to hand-pollinate. Beaumont had previously planted vanilla beans, and had just one vine growing for over 20 years, but was also unable to produce any beans on the vine. Young Edmond began to study the plant and made a discovery. He discovered the stigma, the part of the plant that needed to be dusted with the pollen to produce the bean. He used a blade of grass to separate the two flaps and properly fertilize the plant. Shortly afterwards, while walking through the gardens, Beaumont noticed 2 packs of vanilla beans flourishing on the vine and was astonished when Edmond told him that he was responsible for the pollination. He was 12 years old at the time. Beaumont wrote to other plantation owners to tell them his slave had solved the vanilla bean pollination mystery. He then sent him to other local plantations to teach other slaves how to fertilize the vanilla vine. Within a few years, Réunion became the world's largest producer of vanilla beans. Edmond was rewarded with his freedom and was given the last name Albius. Beaumont wrote to the governor, asking that Albius be given a cash stipend for his role in the discovery of the fertilization, but received no response. Albius moved to St. Denis and worked as a kitchen servant. He somehow got involved in a jewelry heist and was sentenced to 10 years. Beaumont again wrote the governor on his behalf, and the sentence was commuted to 5 years, and Albius was subsequently released. A man named Jean-Michel Claude Richard then set claim to have discovered the fertilization process before Albius. He claimed he visited the island in 1838 and taught a group of horticulturists the technique. Again, Beaumont stepped in and wrote to Réunion's official historian declaring Albius as the true inventor, giving him all of the credit entirely. The letter survives as part of island history.